Okay guys, we now trying to unboxing a refrigerator by CHANGHONG. This is CHANGHONG FTM485NIB. Okay, first of all, I open the boxes. After I open the frames, I open the boxes. It's literally first time I unboxing the refrigerators. And then if you remove, this is the condition. If something happen, I will claim with this video. Tada, this is it. Okay, it's something in there. The specification is low watt, no frost, capacity is 365. Let's see inside. This is no frost. You can see it's all brand new, still sealed with the plastics. Tray with glasses. This is a indicator for the temperatures. This is the freezer and mailing technology, inventor technology, reversible door, and this is multi-tray for eggs and for chocolate and candies. This is inside. This is how to set the temperature of this refrigerator. That's output, and that's temperature, no frost. Every single tray have ventilations for cooling the foods and anything you put in this refrigerator. And this is for vegetables and fruits to keep that fresh. This is an ice maker. Oops, sorry. This is the ice maker. Okay, like that. I'm using one hand, that's why it's so hard to make it out. Ice maker. When you turn this, boom, the ice will be dropped down there, and you're ready to make another ice by the fill in the water. Okay, this is egg tray for in there. This is the manual book and guarantee cards. Okay, this refrigerant total capacity is 365 liters once again, with a multi-airflow system. It's really still brand new, very nice. Okay, this is inside. Let's see another. Still shiny like that. Okay, this is the background. Okay, oh yes, I remember this has a 10 years compressors guarantee. This is the compressors. You can see this is brand new, and this is the settings behind. And this product has a 3 years guarantee of spare parts. This is a serial number. And then this is the specifications with the diagram circuit. of electricians. Yeah, we check the ventilation airflow system, each one in every racks. But when yes, this tray can be cut out. You can see this twins airflow system make more faster cooler to this freezer system. This from far away. This has a height 2 meters at least. Let's see. Okay, thank you for watching.